I've kind of worked in Miami County most of my life. When I was younger, small jobs, and then I was looking for some career opportunities and advancement. And then again, you have so much less stress. I like to be, in Miami County for the safety, for the hometown feel. People care about the community. People take pride in what they have in these small communities. The small town businesses are great. The people are friendly. So it's great. That's personal.
I started off as a welder fabricator at Doherty Steel 17 years ago, worked out in the shop for 6 years, was able to come into the office and do a bunch of different jobs. Ever since I've been here, we've been expanding and growing, and there's opportunity at every level for you to come in and be successful. And that's what I love about Miami County. It's more of like a family atmosphere. If you're looking for a safe place and an awesome community to live in and great place to work, like Doherty Steel, Miami County is a place for you.